Hello everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the 2018 Renegade Valencia 38RW. 38 foot 2 inches long. And it's a Super C. Good look. I like Super Cs. They just look good.
They look super.
See? It's got the overhead.
I'm glad we make each other laugh.
We do. We think we're very funny.
We do.
It's got the overhead bunk there that you can slide that.
Slide it forward.
Yes, yeah. to make a full bed. It's got, of course, it makes that mattress kind of split, which for a big kid like me, I'd fall in that crack. And
couple kids will be pretty comfortable up there if they don't fall off, I guess.
Yeah. Freightliner chassis, which is typical of these Super Cs. And they're wanting $190,000 for this coach. Got a little pantry right there, little booth dinette. Got a bit of storage in here. It's like a residential fridge. Plenty of counter space.
You have more counter space in the bathroom than you have in the kitchen. I mean, you have lots of counter space in the kitchen, but there's a lot in the bathroom.
Yeah.
You have a lot of makeup. You've got places for it.
A place to put your DVD or Blu-ray player down there. Let's go real old school and call it a VHS. A little storage underneath that little seating area there by the window. A TV over that window. A nice walk-in closet back there.
King-size bed.
Little tables on either side of that king-size bed.
Pretty the way the cabinets are.
Yeah. And that barn door for the bedroom door there.
Looks like a real door. Yeah, it's pretty.
And there are USB outlets on either side of the bed. It's a good size bedroom area. Washer, dryer, separate units, not the single unit, but two separate units there.
There's a guy in our camper.
Yeah, there's always somebody.
Uninvited. Look at those windows.
Yeah, I like those windows.
Mm-hmm. I also like the furniture. It's pretty cool looking, little kind of unique.
And you know, my problem with these booth dinettes is you can't realistically sit 4 people at any of these booth dinettes that we look at.
But the shape of those, you can sit back and relax.
Oh,
like
yeah.
Put your feet up. And
for the two of us, they're great.
You
know, but
yeah.
They say seats 4. Well, not really, but only if you want to eat off the other person's plate.
Okay. Curtains for the overhead bunk.
Yeah. TV there above the door. She's pointing out there's no cabinets there over the dinette.
And a wasted space.
Most coaches we look at have those cabinets going the full length of the slide there. There's the controls for your water tanks and all that, just checking levels.
Look at that though. That's a nice looking. I mean,
it's spacious.
Colors and it's
a lot
pretty
of floor plan
or large
floor space.
Plan. Yeah.
Space. And you've got on these Super Cs, you know, you've got some good storage, basement storage. You know, comparable to what you'd get on a Class A.
Which is not like a typical C.
Yeah. Which is why they're called Super Cs.
I thought it was because they were super.
See? LED lights on the awning. This thing, the gross vehicle weight is 31,000 pounds. And the combined weight rating, I want to say, is around 46. So you've got plenty of room to tow what you need. And the Renegade Renegade company is owned by the Rev Group, and that's the same company that makes Fleetwood RVs. These Super C chassis, they are on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis. That is a chassis that is made specifically for RVs. You know, when you get your Class A gas coaches, those are just Ford truck chassis. They're not made for RVs. And even with the regular Class C's, with the Sprinter vans or the Transits or the E450, 350, those are all van or truck chassis. So I haven't driven a Super C, but I would have to imagine that being on an RV specific chassis would probably handle a lot better.
I've heard the Super Cs are a dream to drive.
So I like this coach. I like the layout on it. Price is, you could actually get a Class A diesel for that price. And
but it might not drive. I mean, it probably won't handle a brake or anything.
Yeah, who knows. The thing with the Super Cs for us is typically they're about 38 foot long, so they're longer than what we would like to have. But
I think the shortest we ever found was probably 37. It was pretty close to our limit, but still a little bit over.
Yep. Anyway, there it is. Anything else?
No, I think that was super.
See?
Sorry.
Okay. We'll stop now.
Bye.
Later.